Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these mushrooms, and in my another video I will show you how to make this rumali roti. So guys, if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. I have made this onion at home. I will show its recipe in future also. So guys, please watch the video till end, and if you like this, please hit my channel, subscribe. For making this mushroom do pyaj, I have cut down the mushroom into these pieces. You can cut down the mushroom according to your choice, and I have cut down these onions into these slices. So you can see I have prepared some paste of ginger and garlic. I have grated them, and I have chopped some green chilies, and here I have chopped a big tomato. You can take tomato puree also, but I am using chopped tomato. So let's start making it. Before starting this video, please guys, click my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. You can like my Facebook page. To watch video on Facebook, you need to press the watch video button, and I have shared so many kitchen products, like you can buy some plates, you can buy some gas stove, you can buy a knife from Amazon. So I have shared link in the description, so please check the description also. And I have made an app of Damini's Kitchen also, so you can directly access to my channel through that app. So please download my app also. Let's start making it and watch the video till end, because if you don't watch the video till end, because you will miss some kitchen tips. So please guys, watch the video till end. First of all, I'm taking this griddle, and now I'm switching on the gas. Now heat the griddle properly. Now after heating this griddle, now I'm adding the mustard oil in this. You can use any other cooking oil also. I'm using less cooking oil. If you are using a non-sticky pan, then you can use less cooking oil, and then heat this oil properly. Let the oil heat properly. Now let me check this oil is heated or not. I'm adding some cumin seeds in it. This oil get heated because cumin seeds starts pumping. Now I'm adding these sliced onion in this. And also the paste of ginger and garlic into this. You need to cook these onions till they changes their color. For once, mix it well, and they will change their color approximately after 5 to 7 minutes. So cook these onions till they change their color. Now guys, you can see the color of onion get changed, and they are cooked properly. They are cooked after cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding these chilies into it, and then I'm adding these tomatoes also. You can use the tomato puree also. So mix it once, and you need to cook them for some time slow. Now when the tomatoes get soft, just sprinkle some water into it, because so that they will not burn, and you can cook them on medium flame also. Now they are cooked properly. Now I'm adding turmeric powder, half tablespoon approximately, 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin powder, less than half tablespoon of red chili powder, and salt according to taste. Now mix all the ingredients. And just add 1 big tablespoon of water into it. I'm adding just this big tablespoon of water, so that all the ingredients and get mixed and a thin puree is appeared. Now you can enhance its flavor by adding some kasuri methi or fenugreek. You can call it dry fenugreek into it. It will give a great smell to our stew. Now you need to cook it for just 2 to 3 minutes more. When these are cooked, now I'm adding these mushrooms into it. We need to cook the mushrooms till they turn soft. Add this mushroom into this masala. I'm making it dry, so that's why I'm not adding much water in this. If you are making it with gravy, then cook the mushroom for 10 minutes and then add cold water into it to enhance its flavor. So now you can see that a great color and texture is appearing in our stew. Now just sprinkle some water and then cook it for 10 minutes, or you can cook it until the mushrooms get soft. After cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes, they start get softened. Now I'm adding these fresh coriander leaves. When they get soft properly and they are ready to serve, I will serve it with some rumali roti. You can serve it as you want. You can give any name to it. Then you can call it mushroom though onion. You can call it mushroom simple, mushroom dry. You can give any name to it, and it is very simple and easy recipe, guys. If you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like this. Thanks for watching this video.